So I'd like to ask you now about the ROCO framework. Can you tell us about the ROCO framework and how you
ROCO.
use it here?
Yeah,
Yeah,
my ROCO framework.
yeah.
ROCO. So R stands for role, O stands for objective, C stands for context, and the other O stands for output. And this, I developed this myself, like as I was learning to prompt, when I figured out I got the best results when I had all four of those elements. Now,
Mm-hmm.
you look at other experts out there like Ruben Hassid and other experts that are out there, and they have like these long, like 5, 6, 7 letters. And I'm like, nah, my brain ain't going to be able to keep that. I've got too much going on in there right now. 4 letters. That's the most that I can do is 4 letters. And so it's role, objective, context, and output. Role. What role do you want the AI to play? Objective. What did you come to the AI for? What are you trying to get done? C is context. It carries a lot. I think of this as like my picnic basket of all the extra stuff. It's literally the story or the thing that like you have this story about what's happening and that you have like all of these relationships that happen or the people that you're writing it for, and that's all the extra details. So context is literally all the extra details that if you gave the AI that, if you told it the story behind it, it could actually give you a much better output. And then of course output is, people, a lot of people don't realize that you can tell the AI what you want it to give you. I can say, give it to me in a table, and these are the columns, and I'll literally imagine an Excel spreadsheet, and I'll be like, I want the name, I want the URL, I want the cost, I want the, what are the external review, like I can write it out and say, give me a table like this, or give it to me in a bulleted list, or give it to me in a copy and paste, or give it to me in a markdown document, like, and just saying how you want it. And so those 4 letters, believe it or not, a lot of people are like, God, that's really helpful, this whole Rocco thing. I'm like, and someone was watching me prompt the other day and she's like, oh my God, I'm surprised you came up with a prompt that quickly. And I'm like, it's the 4 letters. What's the role? What's the objective? What are the extra details that if I gave it, it would give me a much better response that I wanted? And then how do I want it to look when it comes out? I
Can
mean,
you
it's,
give us a specific example, for example, for our viewers, if they wanted to use this ROCO?
oh
Just a
God,
very simple example that you use every day.
that I use every day. Okay. So here's one that I use every day. Be a top 3 LinkedIn content creator, because this is what I want to. I want to become a content creator. That's what I ultimately want to do, is be a content creator. At the age of 56, I could do it.
It's yeah, it's still yeah,
Be a top 3
it's still
LinkedIn content
possible.
craft a post about this, whatever the topic is, like about using AI as a woman of a certain age, or woman 40 plus. And then I'd give context like, I have, I have parents I'm taking care of. I have kids I'm taking care of. I have a husband. I have a job that's high powered. I have all of these things that I have to get done. And what are like 2 or 3 things that would make using AI seem really easy? Like that would be the context. And then I would say, give it to me as a LinkedIn post with a killer hook and a CTA, a call to action, which is another thing I've learned about since starting a business. Like CTA, I need a CTA. And then it would give me something pretty decent, and then I would be like, and I like it. No, you need to tweak this. This needs to be
Mhm.
done. That kind of thing. So that's Rocco. That's how I would use Rocco. It's just the, like I said, role, objective, context, output, and it
Mhm.
just it's a simple. It's pretty easy, and I can get for the usual stuff that I do. It works. Now, if you're doing something really involved,
Mhm.
obviously you're gonna want it. But then that's when you ask the AI to craft the frickin' prompt for you. Like I don't know why people don't do this. Like you can literally ask the AI, "Hey, I need a prompt to create an image that does this. Give me a prompt that I can use in Gemini that will create this, this, and this, and this." And it'll
Mhm.
write the prompt for you.